Assalamualaikum KG2 students. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is underline the noun, the naming words. KG2 students, first of all I am going to tell you the definition of noun. The name of any person, place or thing is called a noun. Now all of you take your pencil and underline the naming words. Okay students, let's start. The first sentence is, this is a car. This is a car. In this sentence, car is a noun. Now we will underline it like this. The next sentence is, I am a girl. I am a girl. In this sentence, girl is also a noun. Now we will underline the girl like this. The next sentence is, this is an egg. This is an egg. Egg is also a noun. Now we will underline it like this. The next sentence is, this is a boy. This is a boy. In this sentence, boy is a noun. Now we'll underline the boy like this. The last sentence is, this is a hat. This is a hat. In this sentence, hat is also a noun. Now we'll underline the hat like this.